Today we're going to go over the if statement, which is very commonly used in Java. The way it works is it checks to see if a statement is true or false. If it's true, it completes some type of action. If it's false, it just moves on to the next line. So, to start out, we're just going to declare an integer. Integer Bob, that's what we'll call him, equals 9. Then the way the if statement works is we type if, and then start parentheses, Bob equals equals. You have to put a double equal sign whenever you're comparing something. Equals 1. We want to print out, we'll print out Bob is 1. Then we can put another if statement below that. If Bob is 9, we want to print out not.print, Bob is 9. We'll run this. Since Bob is 9, it should print out Bob is 9. Alright, that worked. Now, if it's neither of those values, the program will just end very quickly. We'll set Bob equal to 7, and it won't do anything because it'll check here, say, okay, Bob is not equal to 1, we'll move on. Well, Bob's not equal to 9 either, we'll move on, and then the program will be done. So we'll hit Shift F6, we'll run this, build successful, nothing actually happened. But then we can also go over else a little bit. So if Bob equals 1, we'll do that. Else, for an else statement, you don't have any kind of thing to compare. It will either do this if, and if this is not true, it will do this no matter what. So even though we have Bob is 7 up here, it'll still print that Bob is 9.